Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get Masters++ application. It's already hack and mod. Okay, how it works is very easy. Open it, type is like me, okay, wait, time and look of this. Everything is loaded up. This mod menu is updated and working both for Android or iOS device. Before I will show you how to get this application, just make sure your Masters application is updated to the latest version. Okay, after completed, how to get Masters++ for your mobile devices. It's easy, just open your favorite browser and follow me. In the search bar, type is the Masters++. Press install. Now wait to finish this process. After complete of this process, Masters++ application will be installed in my mobile device. Okay, this is last step. Once the process is completed of loading, for my mobile devices, Masters++ is already installed. So thank you for watching. Bye.